want to create hyper-realistic photos with MidJourney, like this one or this one, then keep on watching, because I want to show you 2 ways how to create those prompts with the help of ChatGPT. So we go to the ChatGPT chat and tell ChatGPT, here's a formula for MidJourney prompts. A photograph of subject doing something in setting during time of day, taken with type of camera with type of camera lens. Then aspect ratio 16:9 and version 5.1. Now we need a subject, create a prompt for a basketball match during sunset. So now we copy the prompt, head over to MidJourney, type in imagine prompt, paste it, and then we will see the magic of this prompt. So this is the first result, and I think it's really amazing. Okay, they are a little bit off right here. They have like 2 basketballs. Now we tell ChatGPT create a prompt for friends sitting around a campfire. Then we head over to MidJourney, imagine prompt. This is the second prompt, and yeah. This was the first method, and the second method requires ChatGPT 4 and plugins. If you don't know how to activate them, watch this video right over here. Because I have an extension that looks a little bit different, we click on a new chat. We use GPT-4 plugins on the plugin store and look for the plugin Photorealistic. Then you have to activate the plugin. Now we have to ask for some prompts. Now we tell ChatGPT create a MidJourney prompt for basketball player, and because we enabled the Photorealistic plugin, it should work immediately. First one's a really long prompt. We're gonna copy it and say match prompt, paste it in, and see what we get. It's still working on the second prompt, but I will show you both. We copy paste the second prompt as well, paste it into MidJourney. This plugin is really crazy. It's the result from the first prompt. I don't know why this basketball player is holding 2 basketballs. Yeah, there are some faces off, but I don't know why this guy is flying right through the air. But yeah, you can also click on this button and create some more. And then with the second, they look like real faces. Now we'll try something different. Create a prompt for a villa in Italy. Capture a stunning image of a classic Italian villa. We're gonna paste it right into MidJourney. So this is the first prompt. We paste it right into MidJourney, imagine prompt. And we also try the second prompt. For comparison, we ask ChatGPT without the plugin the exact same prompt. Create a prompt for a villa in Italy. So this is the first generation, these are the second ones. I think those kind of generations are super realistic. And this is the result without the plugin Photorealistic. What do you think of those pictures, and which method do you prefer? Or do you have another method? Please share it in the comments down below, and please leave a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.